How to unsync contacts from Google account on iPhone. On your iPhone home screen, tap on the Settings app to open it. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your apps over here. Scroll down and go to Mail. On this page, tap on Mail accounts to view the accounts added to your device. Tap on your Gmail account from the list. On the account screen, find the Contacts switch and tap on the toggle to turn it off. The Contacts toggle changes to off, confirming the account is no longer syncing contacts. The change takes effect immediately, and Google will no longer add or update contacts on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily unsync contacts from Google account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.